Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, we will learn about for loops in Java. So what are for loops in Java? A for loop in Java is a statement that will continue to execute a block of code over and over again for a certain amount of time. To write a loop, first write the for keyword. Then write a set of parentheses after writing the for keyword. There are three arguments we put in the parentheses. First is initialization, then is condition, and third is increment. In Java, when writing a for loop, we need a counter to keep track. The first step in creating a for loop is the initialization phase, where we make our counter. The second step is condition. Our for loop will only run when all the conditions are true. If it is false, the for loop will not work. The third and final step is incrementing. In this phase, we set the interval at which our counter will go up by. Usually the number is 1. If I run his program, we can see our text appearing on the console 10 times. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.